Welcome to the ATL. Today we are having some fun and we're going to be healthy doing it. Today I want to introduce 3 ways to do an acai bowl, acai bowl. Whatever you see the name, you see where they come from. Sambozan. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but guys, these things are amazing. I have tried them one time at this place called Grain and Berry, and I had a bowl and I have been hooked ever since. And I never knew what it was. I just always wanted to try it. So I went to my local BJ's wholesale and got these. They're an 8-pack and they were about $10. Yeah, for $10 you get 8 packs. You can also find them at Target. I believe there's 6 in a pack at Target for about $8. So great health benefit to your body. The acai berry is a berry, like a blueberry, wild harvested from palm trees along the riverbanks of the Brazilian Amazon rainforest. So they come from a natural state in Brazil. It contains healthy omegas like avocado and olive oil, and it is a superfood, and it's a perfect addition to your smoothies and your acai bowls. 3 ways to make an acai bowl. So let's get started with the Nutty Brazilian inspired by Planet Smoothie. This is a smoothie that is going to be made with almond milk to taste, half a banana frozen, and frozen blueberries, 1 acai packet, 1 mason jar. This is 12 ounces. And then you will need a blender. So those are what you're going to need to get started with this smoothie. So let's prepare with the half a banana and blueberries that are frozen. Give me all my blueberries. Yes. And then we're going to add our milk. Now, it's up to you how the amount that you want to put. I like mine's pretty thick, so I just kind of eye it until I notice, okay, I don't want a thin smoothie. I forgot to mention peanut butter. This is critical. Make sure you put peanut butter. And next, we're going to put our acai packet. You must break up your acai packet before putting it in the blender, or it's going to be very hard to blend up together. My blender is not the best of blenders, but it gets the job done. So I would advise to still make sure you break up your acai packet. Now we're going to mix. And as you can see, that is my first mix. It comes out very creamy, very thick. This is the consistency that I'm looking for. So if you like this consistency, make sure you add less milk. Now I'm placing it into my mason jar because guess what? We're finished. We are finished with the Nutty Brazilian smoothie. It is thick, it is delicious, it is filling, and it fills this entire mason jar. So if you're looking for a pre-workout or post-workout, this would be a great smoothie for you. Here are the results. Doesn't that look amazing? It is so good, guys. So next we will go with the Tropical Delight Acai Bowl. This one is very fruity and delicious, mixed with all kinds of fruits. So here's the ingredients you will need. You will need a bowl. You're going to need frozen fruit. Make sure everything's frozen. And granola. This is the best brand of granola by Cascadian Farms. Of course, frozen blueberries, frozen mixed fruit. I love this brand because the fruits are fresh. This is the liquid that I'm going to use from Bai, the coconut infused. And that's all you're going to need with your blender. So add all of your frozen fruits into the blender, the acai packet, and your juice of choice. It doesn't have to be coconut. It can be fruit juice, orange juice, whatever floats your boat. But that's all you're going to need to blend in the blender. So let's get started here with our acai packet. Make sure you break it up. break up your packet. That is very critical and important, or it will not blend well or fast. Also, let it sit out for about 10 minutes before you do that. Now we're going to add our liquid. I like, again, mine very thick, so I do my liquid to eye level, and then I'm going to add my frozen fruit. This makes as ice, so I never need to use ice when I use frozen fruits. So I'll take all that and blend together, and you can see I have a lot of chunks still because I need more liquid. Again, I like mine very thick, so I continue to do this until I have the consistency that I'm looking for. This is my second blend. Again, I add more liquid, just enough to taste, and blend again. And this is the consistency that I'm looking for. You see, it's a bit different from the smoothie with the peanut butter. It's a little bit more thinner. The texture is a little bit more runnier, but it's still thick and it's still delicious, guys. So if you're looking for a fruity taste, here it is. This is a medium-sized bowl. It fills it very well. Here's that granola that I absolutely love. Top it to taste. I love lots of texture in every spoon. And here are the almonds, guys. I forgot to show my almonds. What's a bowl without almonds? And there you have it. You can jazz this up how you like, or you can eat it just like that. Next is our fully loaded acai bowl. This is my all-time favorite. This is why I fell in love with acai bowls. So here the ingredients are fresh strawberries, fresh blueberries, and fresh bananas. Have those cut up before you get started. Then you're going to have half a banana frozen, blueberries, and your acai packet, your almonds, almond butter, and your liquid. This is a fourth cup of unsweetened almond milk. This is all you will need for this fully loaded bowl. So I'm going to take my acai packet, of course, break it up. It's been sitting out for about 10 minutes or so I can get that well blended really easily. Put that in my blender to get started. And when that's all said and done, now I'm going to add my fourth cup of unsweetened almond milk, my frozen banana, and my frozen blueberries. I went strictly by the ingredients on the back. And here is the additive of the almond butter. Guys, this makes consistency everything. So let's get that all blended together. And you'll see the different consistency once again. I love the thickness. I don't like mine runny. And this is really what I'm looking for. Yes, this is everything to me. So I'm going to make sure it's all blended well. And here are the results of my base. This is called the base of the bowl. So this is what is going to be at the bottom. This has a sweet and fruity and peanut butter taste all at the same time, and I absolutely love it. It pairs very well with the fresh fruits that we're going to place on top. So make sure you get all that goodness out of there. Place it into your bowl and get ready. Put on a good sitcom and you're going to love this bowl. So now I'm just going to take my decoration additives with the bananas. I'm going to try to make it a little pretty. I might not make it as pretty as I'd like, but I'm just going to place that all around the bowl to make that very nice and fruity looking. And then after I do my bananas, I'm going to start placing in my strawberries. Cut them up, wash them off. Make sure you don't be eating no dirty strawberries. Now, we need our strawberries to be fresh and clean, okay? Now, we're going to make sure we add our blueberries. I absolutely love blueberries. It's one of my favorite berries to eat. I love this combination. It pairs so well together. And now I'm going to add my granola to your taste, guys. Again, I like granola. I might have got a little heavy-handed with it, to be honest. But, hey, it all works. It all works for me. And I forgot to show you what else I'm going to add. After I add these almonds, guess what? Chia seeds. They have great health benefits, and you can't even taste it on the bowl, trust me. So don't act like you eat some roaches or some that. No, it's some chia seeds, and they're healthy for you. Oh, honey, baby. What? I forgot to show y'all the best part. Put some honey on top of that thing. Listen, you ain't gonna miss a beat. So here it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. 3 ways to make an acai bowl. Come hang out with me next time in the ATL. See you in the next video.